Here's how you can make a free passport photo using Canva. You may have about a 50-cent charge for printing it at your local CVS as well. So from the search bar, either type in the word photo, or in many of the screens in Canva, you will see it here as a little option on the left. I can pick any of these options here that are in a vertical format and then click use as a design, and then custom size. I've already put in here the sizes, but make sure you put 4x6 inches, not pixels, and create a new design. Once you get to this screen over here, then you can pretty much import your own photo. The first thing I did though is just type in off-white background, and then I select the background. You can use any of the free or the pro versions, and then make that your background. I've grabbed here a picture of a random stranger, and I've clicked the background remover button. If you don't have the pro version, you can also just take a picture of yourself on a black or a white background, and that shouldn't be a big deal. Then just type in ruler, and there are various options. Just find one that's an actual inch ruler here, and then I'm resizing it and dragging it. Now remember, this is a 4x6 background, so when I put the ruler up there, I've got to, and then if I adjust it so it's 0 to 6, that's going to be an actual to scale ruler. Now it's pretty simple because all you have to do is take the picture and size it. Here I am zooming in a little bit to make sure I've got it next to the ruler. As a reminder, the passport photo requirement is that the top of your head to the bottom of your chin is between 1 inch and 1 3/8 inches. So I'll bring this picture close to the ruler so I can see, and then I'll just make sure that I follow those guidelines. The overall size of the photo should also be a 2-inch by 2-inch square. So keep that in mind when you take your original photo with enough background, and also as you place it here on the sizer so that you can crop it, because you're going to actually be cutting the picture out physically with scissors once you get them printed back from the printers. So now that I've got everything in the place that I like it, I can actually even leave my ruler right there because it's going to get trimmed out of the picture. And then I just click the share button over here and I hit download. I switch the size to, or the type to JPEG, and you can adjust the quality if you want, but I don't think that really matters. Hit download, and pretty much you're now going to have a JPEG file on your computer. At this point, I went to cvs.com and uploaded this picture, and then you can see here the photo was printed for a grand total of 42 cents. So don't pay 20 bucks to have your passport picture taken somewhere. Do it yourself.